Today we're gonna see how to change video quality on Netflix. Firstly, log into your Netflix account and click the profile icon in the top right corner. Select account from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to Profile and Parental Controls, then click on the profile you want to change video quality for. Find Playback Settings and click Change. Choose your preferred video quality as Auto. Netflix adjusts based on internet speed, low, medium, or high. Just when you're done, click Save to apply the changes. High-quality streaming requires a fast internet connection, at least 5 MB for HD and 15 MB for 4K UHD. Mobile users can also adjust video quality under App Settings, Mobile Data Usage in the Netflix app. And if you're on the basic or standard plan, 4K streaming may not be available because it requires a premium plan. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.